Well, I'm going to be taking part in many different events. As part of the Olympics, there's going to be an African Caribbean house at the Grosvenor House Hotel, and we're helping to organise a business fair there. All the Olympic participants are having houses all over London. The African Caribbean one and the Jamaican one is going to be part of this fair at Grosvenor House. So I'm going to be there promoting trade relations between here and the Caribbean and Africa. I have this concept of remaking the Black Triangle, which is turning our history on its head and making it work for us, remaking it in our interest, so that in economic terms we can start benefiting from that triangle. In social, spiritual and cultural terms, we can start benefiting from that triangle. And that event in August is going to try and capitalise on that. I'm going to do a bit of celebrating. 50 years don't come all the time. I remember getting down in the High Commission here last year, 49th, and that was quite a night, so I think it's going to be something else. I'm going to be going down to the O2 Arena, because that's going to be rocking with all our reggae stars, our athletes, our Olympic participants, and our culture. So you can't divide up all that kind of talent. And as a Jamaican born and bred and grew up here in our home from home in Brixton, I'm going to want to celebrate.
I plan to be in the Olympic Stadium throughout a lot of Jamaica 50. Obviously, Jamaica 50 has been perfectly timed at an Olympics in London. I would imagine that the Jamaican track and field team will dominate the medals list. So I'll be covering the Olympic Games and all things Jamaica 50. So yeah, it's a special summer for me.
Festival Jamaica 2012 at the Maryland Complex, Buxton Road, Stratford, London, E15 1SL. Buy tickets at all the usual outlets, online, or call 0203 137 3055 or 07528 276 796.
Jamaica to the world. 2012.